How to fix Telegram code SMS problem. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you fix the issue like Telegram code not sending on your phone. So let's get started. First, as you have to just try to turn on or turn off the airplane mode. Simply you can open settings. From here, you can simply turn on your airplane mode for 5 to 10 seconds. After a while, you'll have to just turn off, and from there reopen Telegram and try to get that code. If you not get it, simply you have to just clear the cache of Telegram. For that, from the settings section, tap on general. From general, tap on iPhone storage, and from here find out the application Telegram. After you find it, tap on that. From here, tap on upload app. Simply tap on upload app. After you upload the Telegram, tap on reinstall app again. After that, your problem should be fixed. If you are still getting that problem, you'll have to just reset your network settings. For that, from the general section, you'll have to scroll down and tap on the option transfer or reset iPhone. From here, tap on reset, and from here, tap on reset network settings. From here, as usual, confirm with your iPhone passcode, and from here simply tap on reset network settings. After you reset all of your network settings on iPhone, your problem should be gone. If you are still getting that problem, at last you can try to restart your iPhone. For that, from the general section again, at the last tap on shutdown and you have to just shut down and restart your iPhone. After that, your problem should be surely fixed. And after that, if it is still up here, you can as usual try to uninstall and reinstall that Telegram. For that, simply you can uninstall from your end. You have to just install that from the App Store or Play Store. After that, you'll have to just try to relog in there, and that's all. From there, your code SMS problem will be fixed. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.